Hello, and welcome to this 19th set of problems on arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. After this, there will be one more set, that is, we will have a total of 200 questions. So, as always, I will say that when I am stating the problem, you should pause the video and try to solve the problem yourself. If you cannot solve the problem yourself, only then look at the solution. So, without further delay, let's get started. Problem 181 says that if 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square to infinity is equal to pi square by 6, then find 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square up to infinity. So in problem 180 we have proved that the even powers, that is 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 6 square up to infinity, is pi square by 24, and 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square, that is odd powers up to infinity, is equal to pi square by 8. So we substitute that in the given series and we get pi square by 8 minus pi square by 24 is equal to pi square by 12. Because the given series is all the positive terms are odd and all the negative ones are even. So we just subtract to arrive at the final result. You should look at the problem 180 to get the detailed solution. Problem 182 says that if hn is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 up to 1 by n, then prove that hn is equal to n minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 up to n minus 1 by n. So we write hn is equal to what is given, and then we add n and subtract n. Then we split this n to all these terms of hn one by one. So we subtract 1 from 1, and then we also get subtraction from 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 up to 1 by n. So we adjust the signs so that the series remains same, and then this 1 minus 1 will become 0, 1 minus 1 by 2 will become 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 will become 2 by 3, and 1 minus 1 by n will become n minus 1 by n. And thus we have proven the equality. Problem 183 says that show that 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x square plus 1 plus 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1 up to 2 to the power n by x to the power 2 to the power n plus 1 is equal to 1 by x plus 1 minus 2 to the power n plus 1 by x to the power 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1. So we take all the left hand side terms to right hand side, and then we bring everything of that to left hand side. So our series becomes 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 2 by x square plus 1 minus 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1 up to 2 to the power n divided by x to the power 2 to the power n plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power n plus 1 divided by x to the power 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1. That is what we have to prove. That is, we have rearranged the terms. So we combine the first two terms, we get 2 by x square minus 1, and then we combine that with the third term, that is 2 by x square plus 1. We get the we combine that with the second term actually of the original one, and then we combine with that with the third term, because if you observe 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 becomes 2 by x square minus 1, and when you combine 2 by x square plus minus 1 with 2 by x square plus 1, it becomes 4 by x to the power 4 minus 1. And if we go on combining similarly, when we combine 2 to the power n divided by x to the power 2 to the power n minus 1, which we will have here, with 2 to the power n by x to the power 2 to the power n plus 1, it will become 2 to the power n plus 1 divided by x to the power 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1, and thus that will be equal to right hand side. Problem 184 says that show that 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3 square plus into 1 plus 3 by 3 1 by 3 to the power 4 and so on up to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 to the power 2 to the power n is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power 2 to the power n plus 1. So in this case we multiply and divide by 1 minus 1 by 3, that is we have this. After that it is the similar operation as we have done in the case of previous problem. So 1 minus 1 by 3, when you multiply it with 1 plus 1 by 3, it becomes 1 minus 1 by 3 square. And that when you multiply with 1 plus 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3 square, it becomes 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power 4. And if you repeat this process up to the last term, here we will get 1 plus 1 by 3 to the power 2 to the power n, which when multiplied with 1 plus 1 by 3 to the power 2 to the power n, we will obtain the right hand side, which is 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power 2 to the power n plus 1, and this 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 will become 3 by 2. So that's how we have proven the right hand side. Problem 185 says that if x plus y plus z is equal to 1 and x, y, z are positive numbers, show that 1 minus x into 1 minus y into 1 minus z is greater than equal to 8xyz. So we know that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean, that is x plus y by 2 greater than equal to square root of xy, y plus z by 2 is greater than equal to square root of yz, and x plus z will be x plus z by 2 will be greater than equal to square root of zx. So we multiply the left hand side of these three with right hand side and we also multiply right hand side of these three. So we get x plus y into y plus z into z plus x by 8 is greater than equal to xyz. So now we substitute y plus z is equal to 1 minus x because x plus y plus z is 1, and we substitute z plus x is equal to 1 minus y and x plus y is equal to 1 minus z. So we substitute and we get the desired inequality. Problem 186 says that if a greater than 0, b is greater than 0 and c is greater than 0, prove that a plus b plus c into 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is greater than equal to 9. So we know that this should be the symbol, not the GQ. We know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. So we can write that a plus b plus 3 by plus c by 3 is greater than equal to 3 by 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Then we cross multiply to arrive at the desired inequality. Problem 187 says that if a plus b plus c is equal to 3 and a greater than 0, b greater than 0, c greater than 0, find the greatest value of a square, b cube, c square. So in this case, we take arithmetic mean and geometric mean of 7 numbers. Those numbers are a by 2, comma a by 2, comma b by 3, 3 times, comma c by 2 twice. So if we do this, we will get on the left hand side, it will be 2 into a by 2 plus 3 into b by 3 plus 2 into c by 2 divided by 7 because total number of numbers is 7. It will be greater than equal to a by 2 whole square, b by 3 whole cube, c by 2 whole square, whole to the power 1 by 7. That will be the geometric mean. Now a plus b plus c, if you recall from this question, it is 3. So 3 by 7 is greater than equal to a square b cube c square divided by 2 square 3 cube 2 square whole to the power 7, 1 by 7. So we raise both the sides to the power 7. So left hand side will become 3 to the power 7 divided by 7 to the power 7. And right hand side will become a square b cube c square divided by 2 square 3 cube 2 square. So we can say that a square b cube c square is less than equal to 3 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 4 divided by 7 to the power 7. Here 3 to the power 3 gets multiplied, so powers get added, and there is a 2 square here, which is 2 to the power 4. Problem 188 says that let ai plus bi is equal to 1, where I varies from 1 to n, and a is equal to 1 by n into a1 plus a2 plus up to an, that is arithmetic mean of n numbers, and b is arithmetic mean of b1 b2 up to bn. Then we have to show that a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus up to an bn is equal to nab minus a1 minus a whole square minus a2 minus a whole square minus up to n minus a whole square. So we write sigma ai bi, that is the left hand side, a1 plus b1 plus a2 b2 plus n bn. that we write as sigma I is equal to 1 to n ai bi. Now we write bi as 1 minus ai because ai plus bi is equal to 1. So here it is ai. So here we write sigma ai minus sigma ai square. Now we know that sigma ai would be n into a because a1 plus a2 plus a2 a3 plus up to an, which will be equal to, when you multiply this with n, you get na. So we get this as na, and ai square we write as ai minus a plus a whole square. So this becomes na minus sigma ai minus a whole square plus a square plus 2a into ai minus a. Now this a square will become minus na square. So the entire term will become na minus sigma ai minus a whole square minus na square plus 2a sigma ai minus na. Now if you see this, then na minus na square becomes na into 1 minus a, and this sigma ai a whole square remains same there. And so what happens to this is it becomes 0 because sigma ai will be equal to na. So this will become 0. So now we get this as nab minus sigma a minus a whole square because 1 minus a will be equal to b. Problem 190 says that a sequence a1, a2, a3 up to an of real numbers is such that a1 is equal to 0, mod of a2 is equal to mod of a1 plus 1, mod of a3 is equal to mod of a2 plus 1, and so on up to mod of an is equal to mod of an minus 1 plus 1. Prove that the arithmetic mean a1 plus a2 up to an by n of these numbers cannot be less than minus 1 by 2. So we introduce a new number n plus 1 such that mod of n plus 1 is equal to mod of n plus 1. Now we square all these numbers, we obtain this series. Now after obtaining this series, we substitute that here. Once you substitute this, you will obtain 2 into a1 plus a2 plus up to an is equal to minus n plus n plus 1 square. So this n we got from this 1, all the ones, and we take it this side, and a1 square plus a2 square plus up to an square gets cancelled. Now this is definitely greater than minus n. So once we have this minus n, we can say that a1 plus a2 plus up to n by n is greater than equal to minus 1 by 2. With this, we come to the end of 19th set of the problem, and there is one more set remaining. After that, we will move to logarithm. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and found this useful. So if you want to help other students as well, you should subscribe to the channel and like the video. By subscribing to the channel, you will get notified when new videos will come, and when you share, the YouTube algorithm will, when you like, YouTube algorithm will ensure that more people see the video, and in that way you will help others also reach the to you will help others to reach the video, and they can also get benefit from this. If you have a comment or a suggestion or a question, please use the comment box for that. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Enjoy.